Okay, guys. This time we're gonna go over the source of magnetic field. So, this time I'm going to start with this. Also have four problems. Oops. Sorry, I'm gonna delete it. Okay. So this time I'm going to start with the exercise 4. So here's the picture, and we're going to draw the picture like this, right? And this is W is equal to mg, and this is T. This is T, which is 7.5 y, because this angle is 15 and this angle, whole angle is 19 minus 15, which is 75 degree. So we just write like 7.5 degree. So this is T sine 7.5 degree. This is T cos 7.5 degree, and this is F. Okay, so the question is given mass is 0.050 kilogram per meter, and length is 1.2 meter, and also the wire is the current in each wire. So the question is asking the I. Okay, so for this one we going to use T sine is equal to Fm. No, T sine theta is equal to Fm. T cos theta is equal to mg. Okay, so to compare this, Fm by mg is equal to, so sine minus cos is tangent. So tangent theta. So Fm is Fm, and mg tan theta. So mass, we know the mass 0.050 into 9.8 tangent 7.5. So when we solve this, we get Fm is 0.0645 Newton per meter. Okay, so now we get the F, and we use another equation. D is equal to 2 sine theta. This is another equation we use. You have to memorize this. D is equal to 2 sine theta. D is equal to 2 sine theta. D is equal to 2 sine theta. You know, if you repeat this like 10 times every day, you will remember the equation. Okay, so Fm is equal to mu naught I squared by 2 pi d. This is also another equation too. Let me see. The Fm is equal to pi I squared. It's not given. I'm sure these equations are not given in your exam. You have to memorize it by yourself. So we need to find the I. So how we find I? So it's pretty simple. You know I squared is equal to Fm 2 pi d. So I is equal to square root of f 2 by d by mu naught. So when we find this, we know fm is 0.0645 to 3.14 into D is right here, 2 sine 7.5. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 power minus 7. Okay, so ln is this guy, ln is this one. Okay, 1.2. So when you put it in your calculator, you will get I is equal to 31614 A. Okay, so this is the answer. This is also a good problem, so I hope you can learn it. So the main point is we just use this equation, this one. T sine theta is equal to Fm, T cos theta is equal to mg. So Fm by mg is equal to tangent, so we find Fm first, and second we use a D is equal to 2L sine theta. D is equal to 1 sine theta. And also we use the second formula, Fm is equal to mu naught I squared by 2 pi d. Fm is equal to mu naught I squared by 2 pi d. Okay, and we find I. That's it. So we're going to go exercise 3. Exercise 3 is a little bit complicated. Okay, so the formula for this one is B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi r. So this is the formula is also given in your exam. And B1 is equal to B2 is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi r. Let me check. Yeah. So B total is square root of B1 squared plus B2 squared. So we got root 2 into mu naught. B is mu naught I by 2 pi d. Okay, and this is B total, and B3 is mu naught I 3 2 pi d root 2. Okay, and we going to, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So by equation 1 and 2, I'm gonna move to here, mu naught I 3 2 by d root 2 is equal to square root of mu naught d 2 by d. Okay, and root 2 is cancel, and no, it's not cancel. No, it's not cancel. I'm sorry, root 2, okay? So it's good. I3 is equal to root 2 into root 2 into I, which is equal to 2I. So I3 by I is equal to 2. I'm not sure if for me, like, if this kind of problem in the exam, I will skip it. So this is the answer. Okay, so let's move to the second one. So this one is the resistance per length. So this is the length is given 5.9 into 10 power minus 3 omega meter. The radius r is 0.14 meter. So V is 12 volts. Find the magnetic field at the center of. So B is equal to question marks. Okay. So we know the RVN. So B is equal to what equation we can use? So B is equal to mu. So to find B, mu naught I n by two. So basically, let's use these equations. So n mu naught I by 2r. So we know r, we don't know I. We don't know I. We know mu naughts. So we need to find I, right? So how do we find I? So by using Ohm law, V is equal to IR. I is equal to V by R. So we know V, we know R, we can find it. I, right? We can find I. How do we find it? That's look weird. So N is equal to 2 by R. Okay, so let's skip this way. Okay, here's what my professor way. Okay, so he write L is equal to 2 pi r n first, and n is equal to, he moved the side, so 2 pi r. Okay, and also I is equal to V by R first. Then he used this formula, and mu naught I by 2r. So and he put the ends L by 2 pi r. Mu naught is mu naught I is equal to V by R. So this is 2r. Okay, and he used this 4 pi r square r, and we got the answer 0.0 Tesla. Okay, let's move to another one.